Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Today I am here again. I am just finished off the Valentine's video, so I'm going to do a couple more videos here. And I've got keychains, and I'm going to remove the keychains to make them a minifigure. Now, Lego has gone and glued the legs and that to the torsos in order to sell them as minifigures. Because there was a squabble years ago with Star Wars licensing and that, so that they decided to glue the legs together and then make keychains. So if you want an individual minifigure, that's one way to get it. Or in the multi-packs with the magnets, and now they've glued them onto the magnets so you can't get the figures off them. Well, you can get it off. You can take them off. Well, you can take them off. It's pretty easy, but they've done it to get around some of the licensing issues and all that jazz. So anyway, what I'm going to show you today is just how to remove these little clips on the tops of these things. It's not hard. So just get yourself a pair of needle nose pliers. And if you notice right in here, this very first loop, which is the bigger chain, you want to just spread that open just enough so you can get it out of the top piece of his head there. And it's not quite open enough for me. Yeah, there we go. And it comes off. Now, all you do is just hold on to the top of that top piece that's on the top of the head. And keep twisting, twisting, twisting. Because they were not gluing them, and then they were gluing them. So, and if you really just want to not bother with it, you can just snip them off, file it down, paint it, and away you go. They will pull out, but they're really tricky to do. Let's see if we can do it without injuring ourselves. No, that ain't going to happen. Well, it snapped off on his head. Look at that. Well, that's even better because it's under the hat. So that got rid of that one. Now we've got our Mountie minifigure. It was a Ranger, but... And let's see what we can do with this fin guy here. You can keep the chains and the hoops for something else if you want. So let's just see. We used to be able to get these right out, and they were about, well, they go down into the torso, so that's why it's so hard to get out. I think they've glued them in now. Who am I to say? Well, that popped off the same as the other one. Right there inside the head. So, see, now you can see. You snap that off too. Just get it out of the head. I don't know what they've done there. It's a little different, but yeah. Even though they might have a little hole in their head. Okay, guys, stand still. Even though they might have a hole in their head, it's okay. And I think I have a hole in my head trying to do this kind of stuff. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. It's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.